For each of you that watch this video, I say hi. Welcome back. We're going to talk about forEach today. The forEach method will run the provided function for each item in the given array. The forEach method does not manipulate the original array, and it will not be creating a new array. In fact, it returns undefined. Let's dive right into the code for this one. So here we have an array that I called simple array, just for simplicity. So what we're going to do is run forEach on simple array. So I'll call forEach, and then for the provided function, I'm going to just call the variable item. And now this is the function block. So inside this function block, all I'll do is put a console.log here. So I'll do console.log item. And if I save this, I have Node mod running, so you'll see there is the console.log for every item within the forEach array. This is helpful because of what I said earlier. If you want to run some sort of code block for every item in your array, forEach is definitely how to do it. I could put, I don't know, another console.log that says hi, and then you'll see if that is also run for every item in the array. I'm putting out a video next week that's specific use cases when you want to use map and when you want to use forEach. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.